Guys, I'm literally outside in our yard, and we live like right next to a walkway, and there's like constantly people walking by here. It's like a Saturday, and they walk here every single 5 minutes or so. So I hope you can hear me, and I'm shook because it's like a beautiful summer day in Germany, and I waited until the winter jacket season is over, which it's now the end of May, and the winter jacket season is over. So now in June I hope we can strive for 30 degrees. Jumping into the maboutique stuff, I first of all got this little blouse here. It is so freaking gorgeous. Look at that embroidery, or what's it called? I don't know. In the bottom, I love it that you can tie it up front here. It's a beautiful color. It's so summery. You can pop this on in the evening times when it gets a little bit cooler and you don't want to freeze your butt off, but it's still a little warm. So yeah, I really like this top. Got the same little Shazam thing. It's just a little blouse again. I got so many compliments on it. It's so flowy and fluffy, and I really think this would be beautiful over your bikini on the beach. I'm going to Miami this summer. If you want to vlog, then just give this video a thumbs up. I am so excited for that. I'm so excited for that vacation, so I will be definitely rocking this on top of my bikini on the beach in Miami, just chilling myself. And guys, this is like a beautiful, beautiful item. Some of you are gonna say this is like my grandma's curtain, but I love it. It's a jumpsuit, and this is like the most gorgeous thing. It's really hard to show you like this, but I will definitely show it as a try-on. I just love it. It's so girly and feminine and beautiful and flowy and pretty, and I just really like this piece. Then I have a really cute combo. It's a cropped shirt, which you can also wear on your own, and I wore yesterday. That's why it has hair all over it. It's this crop, just a basic crop, and the matching skirt. So it's a two-piece set, and I really love it. You can like dress it down, dress it up. It's like so versatile, and I love this also for the summer. Even though it's black, I love rocking black in the summer as well, as you can see. This top is from Zara, by the way, and yeah, I really like this combo. This I also wore yesterday with that black crop top. It's a little jackety blouse, and it's also so flowy and so pretty, and it has like little stitching on here on the sides and on the back, and it looks like a little blouse. This could be like Zara or something, and I really like it. You can also tie it in the front to make it look like a little bit more put together, or you can just throw it on loosely over top any top that's a little tighter, because I wouldn't wear flowy with flowy. So this is so cute, and I think they also have this in black. Then we have this dress. I am absolutely in love with this. I'm just looking to see if someone's there. I'm so like shy. Fuck it, it's my property, so whatever. I have this dress. And it's so pretty. You see this all over Instagram. It's like the perfect girly summer dress, and it also has a tie thing on the front, and it's so cute. It's also very hard to show you this like this, but I'll definitely show it on for you guys. Next up, I always wanted to have a top like this one. It's so cute. You can tie like a bow on the sleeves. It's so freaking cute with like jeans or a little skirt, or like even shorts. I love these kinds of tops. They're so elegant and pretty and girly. And I really love the baby pink color. They also have it in baby blue and white and black, I think, but I really wanted this color because I have nothing in this color. Like not any basic t-shirts with like a saying on it, and that's why I picked this up. It's such a gorgeous color combination, this white with this pink. I don't know, but they have like really cute pink shades in the store, and I just really want to wear this with, like, I don't know, ripped jeans or something. It's just gorgeous, and it says Mademoiselle en basket. There was like this old guy, he was just like ratchetly standing at our fence looking in. I was about to say something. I just stared at him. Oh, he left. You know, we built a new house and our garden isn't finished yet, so we still have like plants to plant along our fence so that people that are ratchet as this guy don't stare in like a stalker. This is very scary. And then we have the last piece. This is so me. This is just a short sleeve, and it's like really good material, guys. It's so firm and like really stretchy though, and it has like pearls all over it, and I love the pearl trend. I'm just like obsessed with pearls on everything, like pearls on my earlobes, pearls on myself, pearls in my hair, pearls on my booty. I don't care. So, oh my god, that rhymed. So anyways, this is really cute and I love it. So guys, that was my entire haul from Maboutique. I hope you really liked this haul, and go check out their website. I'll link it down below. As I said, I'm not sponsored. They don't even know I exist, unfortunately. If you do, hi. Go order there. They have really great quality clothes and they're pretty affordable, so yeah, go check them out. If you like this feminine sort of style, they also have some sort of rocky styles too, which I personally don't like so much, but I really like the feminine style and like put together, and I really think if you have a whole Maboutique outfit, you're like so put together. So I love you guys so much, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.